Alright guys, this is Big C coming at you from sunny SoCal. Promised a few of my friends that as soon as I put my new Borla dyno tuned turbo mufflered exhaust on that I would feature it. Okay guys, this is my 30th anniversary Z28 Camaro. Here we go. This is Borla. Yeah, those are intercooled tips. This is a bad mofo, for those of you who do know. Okay, let's take a quick run around, walk around here. I do have a 6-speed Borg Warner T56. That is an SLP short throw shifter. 6-speed, as I said. Alright, let's go around. Alright, it's not a Ferrari, but still fast. Got the Moroso high flow cold air intake, Granatelli, mass airflow. These are Edelbrock Titec coated shorty headers. I am Hypertech tuned. I have Marsh underdrive pulley kit. I use interstate battery because the owner is a devout Christian. You name it, I've got it. Of course, the dual friction center force 3 racing clutch. Okay guys, just name a few of the things that I've got in this car. March underdrive pulley kit. It's a lot. Now I'm going to go ahead and take you around. The car is well maintained. I take good care of this bad boy. Okay, I am now going to sit you down here. I'm going to fire up the ride so you can hear it. Let you enjoy the sound of the Borla exhaust. Get ready guys, here it comes. God is great, capitalism is good, Marxists suck. This is what you get when you work hard. Nice toys. Anyway, God bless my capitalist brothers and sisters. Screw you government, entitlement-minded, cheese-eating Marxist, Obama-Linsky lames. Anyway, enjoy. Big C out.